everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my second Walgreens haul. Walgreens lately has been super awesome, you guys. Like, I'm really excited to shop at Walgreens. I'm really excited to do second hauls. But yes, I was going to do one yesterday, and then I'm just like, I need a break. I just need a break. I didn't want to leave the house. I didn't want to do anything. I did get dressed, though, but I'm just like, ugh. But today, I'm like, okay, I got to go to Walgreens. So I went to Walgreens this morning, and then we went somewhere, and now I'm finally doing my video and everything. But I had a good haul, you guys. There's some really good deals that you guys want to do. The one deal is, if you guys haven't done this, is the Wet n Wild deal. Now, this is a Wet n Wild lipstick kit, okay? Now, these are not on sale like the other ones are. All the Wet n Wild right now is 40% off, but this one is not, and this one's $19.99. Now, if you guys don't know, if you guys can't find these in your store, usually you find them like right in the beginning when you walk in the door where they have like all the beauty stuff. That's where they have it. That's where they had mine. And I was just like, I'm going to see if this works. Now, this is their liquid catsuit lipstick. It's limited edition with 8 must-have shades. There is some in metallic and there's some in matte. And it says this is retailed at $39.92. I would never spend 40 bucks. I'd never spend that money on this. And this is also, they said the MSRP is $39.92, but it actually is 20 bucks. Again, I would not even spend $20 on this. But I actually do like the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit. I have one actually that I opened. Sorry, my neighbor just started to mow his lawn. So you guys, so this is $19.92, okay? We have those buy two get one free coupons. What you guys can actually do is have them scan this one, and I got brushes instead because I need some new blush brushes. But you guys can get any of the makeup. You guys can get anything. But this says it's powder, but I really just need some new brushes. And these are super soft. Like, you can actually feel it right here. It's like super soft. So I'm like, I need some brushes. The cheapest thing I think they have there is like 99 cents. What you guys would do is buy these. You guys use that buy two get one free coupon, and that coupon will actually take the highest one off. So it'll take $19.99 off, you guys. So you guys will end up getting these for these are $2.99. I don't know why I wrote $1.79. Unless it is $1.79, it might be. But these are originally $2.99, it comes up to $1.79 a piece. You guys would actually pay $3.58 for all 3 of these things. So if your store has these, definitely do this deal. I actually want to open one of these up and use it. I'm not a big fan of the matte lipstick, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to go back and get more of this if I can. So there is that deal. If you guys want that deal. The next deal I did is the Vanity Fair napkins. Now, I did get the plates last time. I have like 3 different types of digital coupons for the paper plates or the napkins. I'm like, I'm gonna get napkins this time. So these were $2.99. They were buy one get one free. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. Now, make sure you guys are checking your digital. Some of them are working and some of them are not. If they are not working, what I do is I Facebook message Walgreens. I give them my phone number and my zip code, because that's what they're gonna ask you, is what's under that account. So I just say, hey, I got this item, this coupon didn't come off. I got this item, this coupon did not come off. And then they'll give you points for those coupons that did not come off. And then I say, oh, my number and my zip code, because then they just do it for you right away. So just give you guys a heads up with that. And one thing I also want to tell you guys is check your guys' accounts. Type in multi-brand in the coupon code where you guys are searching for a certain coupon. 30% off a 30 popped up, and I also have a 10% off a 20 or 10% off a 10. But I'm not clipping the 10 because it'll take that one off first. So if you guys have that 30 off a 30, make sure you guys clip it. It starts for this Sunday, so just giving you guys a heads up with that. But yeah, $2.99. You guys use that $1 off a 2 coupon. These come out to be $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. And with 4th of July tomorrow, these are perfect. I used to get the cheap napkins, and now I'm actually getting some fancy napkins. So got that going on. Tide deal again because I did get some of those coupons, and I hate those coupons going to waste. Now there's different situations you guys can do for this. For those who don't get those coupons, there is some digital coupons that you guys can use. Otherwise, if you guys want to mix and match stuff, you can. So there's a situation where you guys, if you can buy one of these in 3 pods or 2 and 2, whatever you guys want to do. I just mix it up because why not? So these are all $4.99. Now at my store, they actually have them buy 3 get 1 free. Now some of your guys' stores are buy 1 get 1 free. That's awesome. Some of your other stores are different ones, but mine are buy 1 get 1 free, or buy 3 get 1 free. So everybody's having different sales. But anyways, so you guys want to use 2. Now those coupons are a limit of 1 per transaction, you guys. 1 of these and 1 of these. So you guys can actually buy 4 of them. You guys want to use a digital coupon. You can use 2 digital coupons and 1 paper coupon. What I would do is a paper, and a digital, okay? So what you guys would do is use 3 coupons, so a paper coupon, and a digital coupon. If you guys do that, it comes out to be $5.97 for all 4 of them. You guys will get them for $1.49. If you guys already used your digital coupons and you still have paper coupons, again, 1 per transaction. You guys can buy all 4 of them. You use two paper coupons, so a $3 and a $3. Or if you don't have paper coupons and you just use the digitals, you'd still use all 4 of them. The two $3 off coupons would be $8.97. They come out to be $2.24 a piece, which $2.24 is still an okay deal, and you guys can pay with points. So like if you guys have enough points. So I had to do the Tide deal. I have a friend who loves Tide, so I like to help with that. And then I got 2 of the pods. So yes, it is a great week for Tide, you guys, and that situation is going to be the same week next week. Mine are also still on sale for buy 3 get 1 free. I got the Poise pads. Now these are $5.99. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. Now this is an all month deal, so you guys can do this all month long also. My store I always check out the clearance all the time, and my store actually had some movies on clearance. Sorry, my family's screaming in the background. But I always check clearance, and my store actually had a bunch of movies on clearance. They range from 99 cents all the way up to 20 bucks. I will never spend $20 for a movie unless it's Disney, literally. But they had Curious George movie for $3.49, and then they had The Cat in the Hat for $2.99. So I thought these would be great little movies to get for Benjamin. Yeah, and there's movie tickets in here. One's for, look at this, one's for pets and one's for pets too. That's how long they've had some of these movies. But Benjamin's really into this. This was recently on Netflix, so he's been watching it like crazy. So I thought that'd be a good movie to get, and we have tons of Curious George movies. So, and this is the actual movie towards we watch a lot of the shorts. So definitely got those on clearance. I did the Burt's Bees. Now, you guys don't have to do this week. You guys can do it all month long. Those coupons don't expire till, like, I think September 28th is when they expire. But I checked online, and my store said they had 0 on hand. Well, I looked, and my store had 3 of them on the rack. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to do this deal anyways. This is good toothpaste for Ben. So this is for kids. I mean, adults can use it too, but these are for kids. So I thought this is great to use for Benjamin. So if you guys have the 4 off or the $8 off coupon, it's actually a better deal. But my store only had 3 of these, so I'm like, I'm gonna do this deal anyways. So these were buy 2 get 1 free at $2.99. I used the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So I used that. So you guys would end up paying $1.98 for all 3 of these. But then you guys, divide it by 3, they come out to be 66 cents a piece. I usually say don't pay more than a quarter for toothpaste, but I think for kids toothpaste it's a different story. I don't, like I said, I never coupon for kids toothpaste, so I think 66 cents for kids toothpaste is the way to go. So definitely do that deal if you guys want to do that deal. Now if you guys can't do it this week, don't worry about it. It's available all month long. The buy 2 get 1 free toothpaste is all month long. So if you guys miss this deal, don't worry. Wait till your store gets more, or ask if they can order it for you guys, just specifically order more for you. So yeah. I ended up getting another one of the Garnier Whole Blends. I have those coupons now, and I hate some of these coupons going to waste. I feel like the Garnier has been going to waste on me a lot lately, and it's something I just don't coupon for because it's a limit 1 per transaction, and I hate it. So they had a bunch of, you know, samples, so I'm like, whatever. But this was $2.99. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon, making them just 99 cents. So I thought 99 cents is a pretty good deal. You know, I usually say $1 for shampoo and conditioner. And then I also did the Garnier Fructis. Now, please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so this works out good in my favor. But these were 2 for $7. I used that 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys would end up getting these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. And I say $1 is the best, but with the employee discount, it worked out better in my favor, so I got these under $1 a piece. And there's actually a free sample in it. It's called Sleek Shot In Shower Styler. Not sure what that is. I wonder if I should open this up. I'm really into doing samples lately. Like, I want to get as many samples as I can so I can share with you guys. A lot of you guys enjoy the empties videos that I do, and I really like to do stuff that I get coupons for. So, you know, anything I get a coupon for, I'm going to put in that empties, or just anything in general, because, you know, some people are like, oh, I wanted to try that. Like, that's how I basically started my YouTube channel, was back in the day. Like, my very first video that I made public, I think, is me doing a review on a purse, because I wanted to buy a purse and I could not find a video at all about a purse that I wanted, because I didn't want it to be so big. And so I got it, and I'm like, I'm gonna do a video for it, and it ended up being big. It was a big purse, and I didn't want a big purse, but you know, I wish somebody made a video for it explaining the size of it. Otherwise I would have never got that purse, but otherwise I would have never started YouTube if I didn't start that video. So, but yeah, it is a Sleek Shot mixed with shampoo, rinse and condition, blow dry to cut, sleek time in half. So that's cool if you actually did that. I don't really do that, but I might try it. It's just a little sample in here, so I will try that. But yeah. That was my haul. I didn't get much. A lot of it was repeaters, but like I said, I really didn't want to pass up the Tide deal because those coupons expire Saturday. But we are getting new Tide coupons in the P&G if you guys get that. But my total came to $12.19 for all that stuff. Now, I did pay with some register rewards that I had, but and then I did pay with points. I only paid $2.19 for everything. $2.19 for everything is awesome. But minus the points, it came to $12.19. I got 18 items. Everything came out to be 67 cents a piece. I will take it. I mean, that Tide 67 cents. Oh yeah. So yes, just wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.